Hello, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. My name is Jacob, and today I'm going to be preparing myself what am I making? Let's see what's in the fridge. Oh, let's see. We just got back from my dad's birthday, and I want a little bit of a snack. And what do you mean,
Jacob, what you doing?
I'm not doing much, Sam. What do you want?
You making food?
Yeah, I'm making food.
What are you making?
I think I just want.
You're not doing it right. Give me.
Wait, what are you doing?
There's your food. Okay, bye. Thanks.
So, yeah, that's
wait, Jacob,
that's what's left of my weight.
Get out of here, Jacob.
Sam, wait, you already made a big enough mess as it is. Sam, so why is it a perfectly good orange?
Doesn't matter.
Sam, stop it. Stop that. You're way.
Let's cram some crumbs in there.
Sam. What did you... Sam.
There you go.